Alright, so welcome back to White House Farm. What we're working on tonight is we're going to replace this tail light. And this tail light got cracked out because my son likes to follow too close. And him and my daughter cracked into each other. So, yes, time to replace the light. So, we got a new one here. And I'll go ahead and leave the part number and link for it in Amazon if you need to purchase one. But here we go. And this is the new one. I'll wait to take that off once I'm done. And basically it's two 10mm bolt or nuts. And then we'll go ahead and connect this. So let's go ahead and get in there and start taking it apart. So you can see light bulb's still good. Lens is no good. Alright, so you can see the two nuts right there. That one and that one. Let's go ahead and take them off. The second one and the washer. Alright, so now we should be able to pull this out. There we go. Okay, so we shouldn't have to replace the wiring harness because that should be still good. So we go ahead and pop that out. And there's our old one. See, it's all cracked up. And here's our new one. And we can take this out. Oh, even comes with a light bulb. So this could be used as a backup, or if mice chew our wires or something, we got a whole nother harness here. So this is perfect to hang on to. Alright, now we just put the new one in here. Go ahead and turn that. Pop this back in. Yep, there we go. Alright, pull the plastic off there now. Alright, so now we're going to just do the opposite of what we just did. We're going to go ahead and put our washers on. And the nuts. Alright, so got both nuts back on there with the washers, and we got a new light on there now. That's how simple it is to change out the rear tail light. Looks good. It's not broken. It doesn't look like that. And we do have the spare part, the wiring harness, just in case something ever happens to that one, especially with mice living in the country. And we got a new battery put in. Make sure to check out the video on how to put in a battery. Really simple and also a lot cheaper. So let's go ahead and turn this to the on position. And let's see here. Here's our brake. All right. Perfect. And we can put our lock on here. Look at that. Nice. Alright, so my son had to do a lot of yard work to pay me back for this tail light. But there you go. You see how simple it is? Go ahead and change them out. And once again, I'll leave a link in the description if you're looking to find one. This is a Yamaha Grizzly. But they're all pretty much the same way taken in and out. They're pretty simple. So we're all set here, guys. So once again, we guys hope you like, enjoy, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.
can't say goodbye without saying goodbye to me. All right, Olaf. We'll see you on the next one. All right. Bye, Obo. Bye, guys.